Hey guys, I just ordered this silicone back scratcher for my daughter off of Amazon. So she's really excited about it. So she can use this in the shower. She can use this just anytime. What's really cool is that it has two handles. Let's just see you try to do it, sweetie. She's still learning a little bit, but yeah, she's getting the hang of it. So what's really cool is it has two different kinds of textures. So we've got the soft texture right here, and then you've got some bigger bumps on this side. So it's really, really easy. It's very easy to clean because of that. It's very good material, silicone material. It comes with a hook so that you can hook it anywhere, which is fantastic. You can put it in the shower or hook it in your kid's room on the wall. And oh, she really wants it. So let's see you do it again, sweetie. Go ahead and put it behind you. She's still learning. It's cute. You can do it. Here, let me help you. Okay. Grab both hands. Grab one hand there. Yeah. And let's go and let's grab the other side. We'll do the bigger ridge. All right, now scratch. There we go. Yeah, I mean, she'll get the hang of it. She's loving it. So yeah, so it's just something that I really think is great. It's great for kids. It's very safe material, and I highly recommend it for anyone wanting to get just a nice silicone back scratcher for the shower or any other use.